Hey, good morning, everyone. So basically, we bought the SQ calls, 95 calls, right? It went all the way to the top today morning. Then we got a pullback. Then we entered the calls, 95 call. Again, it tried to go up, small pullback, and again it started moving up. So our target is 96, 96.6. Yeah, you can trim some, right? When you see everything bullish, all the momentum is green, there is a proper trend strength, right? The trend strength is also very, very strong. So you don't need to panic by looking at a red candle, right? When you don't know why you are taking a trade, you will get panic. But when you see everything is looking good, there's a lot of momentum, lot of buyers. Your background is green, your clouds are green and blue. Then there is a high possibility for it to go all the way to 96.5, or it can even around 96.6 is what talking. It can go to 98 by tomorrow or day after, and then it will drop. Once it goes to 98, you can buy the puts. Right? That one trade alert itself, even with 10 contracts, you would have made nearly 1 month of premium or 1 month fee. So again, as you know, right, we always look at what are the most bullish tickers, and if you want to trade, you can look at most bullish tickers here. And Q is moving very good. So QQQ and Q is at all-time high. So as of now, there is no resistance from the past. SPX also, there is a huge gap up overnight. Yesterday we bought a lot of bull puts, but we took profits yesterday. Otherwise, if anyone holding QQQ, SPY, SPX bull puts, they would have made 100%. But yeah, again, we don't want to take any overnight risk, so we close them with 20-30% profits yesterday. There's a huge buy order block here. So as of now, we cannot see any sell orders or anything. As of now, still it is very bullish, but it also ran so much. So we never know when the sellers will come into the picture. We can focus on Q because it is overbought. Let us wait for the buy signal again because overall trend is very bullish. It may go down somewhere here and then again bounce back. So on SQ, you can take some 80% profits and hold the 20% for more. It made nearly 15% gains. From nearly $2, it went to 2.25. The generally problem with trading is you don't know where to book the profits, right? But yeah, most of your profits you can close here, right? Once it goes there, we may see a reversal again. So because it already moved 15-20%, if you take 80%, then the remaining will become completely free runners, right? Because already you got back your capital, you book the profits. Now, whatever you are holding, if it goes up and if it breaks this, it can go all the way to $98 also, right? You can leave it as a free runner and you can hold until $98 or until it comes back to your price which you entered. Yeah, nearly it is 30% up on SQ calls. You can take the profits on remaining. And I'll ask the questions. Um, Generally, when everything is green, right? For example, SQ, we got a buy signal. This is green, this is green, this is green, and the trend strength is very good, right? It is 30, 40, 29. So then you can buy the calls. If it is somewhere around 20, 19, 18, then you can do. If these two are green, but the trend strength is little weak, that means it is little choppy. Even though overall bullish, but still there is not much strength, then you can do the bull put spreads. When the strength is good, if these two are green and if the strength is also green, you can directly buy the calls. If these two are red and the strength is green, you can do the puts. If these two are red, right? But if these two are green, but if this is red, then you can do bull puts. If these two are red and this is also red, you can do bear call spreads. So, right, like that, once you understand, then you won't feel panic, right? Even though it came here from the cloud, it bounced. There was a small pullback, but immediately again it started moving up and it made nearly 30% gains in 10-15 minutes. So now let's look CRM dropped as expected. Now you have to watch the table and you have to, yeah, we are still holding CPNG. We will see, and then yeah, naked calls will make more money, right? Naked calls will come with more risk, but you will also make more profits. Because in a bull put, you are also buying a call, you are also selling a call. So that is like a low risk and low returns. Yeah, we are holding 100 call, of the 100 call. We have 3 more weeks. It was a nice profit this morning, but So whenever we receive an alert, you have to tell me whether that is a good one. So for CRM, do you think we should buy the calls or we should do bull put spread? You can just look at the table and you can suggest if it is a good one to enter calls or not. As of now, the strength is right. The momentum should be green first. If the momentum is green, then you can look at the trend strength. But here the momentum itself is not green, right? So still 5 minutes is bearish, 15 minutes is bearish. So you better wait, right? It may come all the way, right? There is a huge buy order block here. It may come all the way, touch this, and then start bouncing. So better you don't go for it buy because your 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, it is telling that it can still drop. So we got a sell, but the trend is bullish, momentum is bullish. So let us wait for a buy signal on CLSK. Oh, the it is still bearish in 5 minutes. We got a buy, but still bearish, so we can wait until these turn to green. You don't need to confuse much. So now we got a buy for UPST. Do you think we can go for we can buy calls for UPST? It can move. It can go until 75.5, but already it moved from bottom of the channel nearly to the top of the channel. And so you have a less margin to make profits, right? If you get the buy here, and if everything is green, that is the best opportunity. That means you are buying at a low price. It would have already made 100% gains, but because it already went to the top, little risky, right? Even though everything is green, but it already made nearly $2 move this morning, right? In last half an hour, it made $2 to $3 up. So it may go a little more up, but again, there might be a reversal. So better we wait for a pullback, right? Sometime it may come all the way to the midpoint. Then if we get a buy, that is better. And also still we don't have a buy signal here. We got a sell. So if it comes somewhere here and if we get a buy, again it will start moving up. So we need to wait for a pullback to enter calls. Uh, Get the buy signal on this one. Sway is looking good. So you in so you in 8.5 call around 1.15. Yes, so you in 8.5 call at around 1.15. But again, you got a buy signal. There are no major resistance here, no sell orders there. And everything is green, everything is green, everything is green. That means it can move high. Right, it touched the resistance, it started dropping. But right, because overall trend is bullish, we don't want to take the puts. Right, if we get a buy signal again, if it comes to the bottom, if we get buy again, we can enter long one more time. So basically, we got a pullback on ES, and then it started moving up again. So that means buyers want to take it much higher. Everything is green. Everything is green. Current strength is little choppy, but yeah, we can make some quick profits on ES. If it breaks this, then it can go much higher. We should have got it somewhere here, but so basically you can look at SPX. Based on that, you can take ES and Q, EQQ, everything. So we got a buy on ES. Everything is green. Everything is green. Everything is green. That means it is very, very bullish. As of now, there are no sellers. Q again. Did a small pullback and going up again. Probably we should break this resistance and go all the way to the top because there are a lot of buyers. There is a lot of bullish momentum in the market. So once it breaks this, then we can do bull put spreads for SPX. So if you see green boxes, that means those are the buyers, buy orders. There are a lot of buy orders here, buy orders here, buy orders here, buy orders here. So buyers are trying to push the price up. As of now, there are no sell orders and close by. We kept a stop loss somewhere here around 6082.5. But yeah, there is a high possibility for it to break the resistance and go to the top. So here we have some sell orders. If there are more buyers than the sell orders here, it will break the resistance and go to 6089. That will make our $300 target for today. If anyone is still holding the ZW, which we got today morning, But again, we know it was completely bearish. There was a trend strength, right? Earlier also it came, but missed booking the profits at market open. It came all the way to the bottom. And because there is a slow ticker, right? It is not like in QRES where it will move very fast. So you can, yeah, hold it with patience. If you see that everything is bearish and you have a proper trend strength, so even if you take two or three also, or four or five contracts also, it won't be much problem because it won't make a big candle like in QRES. And so just with this one, it made nearly $300 plus. Orders for it was still down. It will break this support, it will go all the way to the bottom because now sellers are in control. You can see, right? Sellers took the control, so it is overbought. Now, right, generally all these wheat, corn, or these ones they move similar direction. So again, right, everything bearish, bearish. So right, so whenever you receive an alert, all you need to do is watch the table, right? So we got a sell signal. You watch the table. Okay, this is bearish. This is bearish. You have a red background. Then take it and so these are slow moving tickers, but that's fine, right? This is like low risk trade. You take it and you can hold, right? You can see big companies are selling. You got a sell order. Trend is bearish. Momentum is bearish. Then if you're making even $100 with 10 accounts, that is $1,000 profit. If you have 20 accounts, that is a $2,000 profit. All you need to do, wait for a good setup and just take the trades. Yeah, in Q&A, yes, are little overbought. But if you see this one, it went to the top. That means they are overbought now. But the trend is still bullish. So it is, that's why. So both sellers want to bring it down, buyers want to take it further up. That's why it is just moving in a choppy. You have a big wick at the top, big wick at the bottom. That means there is no clear direction. Better we wait for SPX, right? Either if we see some big sell order, then we can do bear calls. Or if it breaks the resistance, we can do the bull puts. As of now, better we wait for some more time. Right? ZM also same thing. Everything bearish, everything red, but it is little choppy. But minimum you can make 20 $30, and if you trade in 10 account, that is $300. So you can take a shot on ZM. I already took one shot and then trying to add one more contract because anyway these are slow moving tickers.
Order.
I kept a stop loss on ES, otherwise ES would have made nice profits. It seems it will break. There was a small pullback, and again we got a buy. I took some small profits on this one on wheat. Again, all these are looking bearish. Right? All these agricultural, this is bearish. Wheat is bearish. Soya bean, that is also bearish. So whenever we get a sell signal, right? If I get one more sell signal, I'll add one more contract. So in case if it doesn't, if it takes a pullback, right, if I want, I can take profits. So even if you make $10, $20, when you are doing that in Tradify for 7 funded accounts, that is nearly $200. All we need to do is identify something where it is completely green, then wait for the buy signals. Or whenever it is completely red, wait for the sell signals. And then you can take the trades and you can multiply your profits. There is no way you can have more than 20 hours a day. If you want to increase your salary by double, you don't have any control. But here, once you take time to learn, now if you're trading only on Tradify, now you can add Apex or you can add Tick Tick Trader, you add one more company, you add one more. You can keep on making more and more gains each month, right? You're spending the same time, but you can keep increasing your income. It's looking very bullish, but the problem is it moves so much. And because there are a lot of buyers. Breaking the market, breaking the resistance. But yeah, because it is overbought already, it is key. So expecting it to go all the way down. So it is overall bearish. Right? There was a pullback, and again you got a sell signal. Sellers are trying to push it much further. Still, everything is bearish. Momentum is bearish. There is a strong strength in the trend. Even if we make 25 $30 on each one, so you have a strong support here at 528. It may come to 538. So even is going good. Only 30% upcoming. Uh, do you see the power, right? If you bought stocks also, you would have made some few $100 options, right? Again, you saw everything is bullish, everything is green. You got a buy signal, right? The sell will be small pullback, but whenever buyers are in full control, your T5 line is green. This is green background. This T5 line is green. Your price pulse is blue. Everything is green. You can see the buy orders, huge buy orders, right? You can see there is 425,000 buy orders this morning. So when you see all those things, then you can easily make nice profits. And because it went to the resistance, you better book the profits. Maybe it may move much higher, but when you make 20-30% within few minutes, better you book the profits and wait for the next opportunity. We got a buy signal on YM. Everything is green here. And strength is also good. So we can go ahead and buy, go long on YM. So if YM is moving good, then generally your DIA, you can get the bull put spreads, or you can, the strength is not very strong. If this is above 30 or 40, then we can get a DIA calls. Mm, so yes, you can close. You can take profits if you're holding. So volatility should not be too big. If it is green, that is good. If it is red, that means it is too much, right? Within, if volatility is too high, that is also risky. right? If there is earnings or something within a minute, it can move 100 points, 200 points up. So you may not be able to enter or exit at right time if the volatility is too high. So if volatility is okay, then it will show in the green. In daily, it is okay. In a day, it may move 450 points. You just look for green, that's it. Don't worry about the numbers. Just if everything is green, that means it is very good for long. If these two are red and these two are green, good for shorts. As I said, YM, the corresponding ETF is DIA. So we can buy 450 call. DIA 450. And you can do a bull put spread for December 6th. You can sell 452 and buy 450. You can collect around 105, $110. Sell DIA 450 to put and buy 450 put and collect $110.
Order submitted. Order fell. Order submitted.
You created the interface in such a way that even your kids also can trade. Even somebody who doesn't know trading also. All you are looking is if green, wait for the buy signal, take long positions. If you see these red and these two are green, wait for the sell signals and take short positions. Right? We nearly did just with YM, we made $300 now. We took trade one, two contracts. Again, we took one contract. So if you are making 300 in each account, if you have 10, 12, 20, whatever it is, you can multiply. So yeah, that's it everyone. So I'll post the other alerts in the options channel. But you can see the power, right? When you understand the system, when you use it, all you need is 1 hour to make your daily target. And then, right, you made profits with SQ. We made profits with SOUN. We made profits with YM. We made profits with ZW. So, right, again, it will go further down. Then I can book the profits. Right? Still, everything is bearish. Momentum is bearish. There is a strong trend strength. The pullbacks are common, right? Nothing will keep going down. It will go down. There might be some little bit up, and again it will go down. So just wait with patience, and you book the profits, and you multiply that on different accounts. So, right, yeah, with earnings, sometimes if it moves so much overnight, next day they will, right, they will book the profits. Yeah, I'll try to add some alerts. Right, yeah, because Okta moved nearly 15-20% after earnings. The big companies will start booking profits. Yeah, there are many YouTube videos. If you go to the channel, Right Choice Advisors in YouTube, you can. Yeah, this platform we are using is called TradingView, but we are basically taking trades on Tradify and other. There are 20, 30 different platforms. You don't need to use all 20, 30. Start with two or three. Once you make nice money, add two or three. Again, you can keep on adding more and more companies as you keep on making more and more money. So you can double your income every month. Yeah, if you are a new trader, better you stay, right? 300, 400 as a target. Otherwise, what will happen is after a few trades, you will become more confident and you take a trade without looking at all the rules. So that's why I suggest for all the new traders, once you make 300, or right, maybe for 1 or 2 weeks, put 300 as your limit. Then you will get some experience. Then make it 400, right? 1 or 2 weeks, you make every day 400, 400. Then next 1 or 2, so that slowly increase it. If you try to make $1,000 on day one, you may make thousand, but again you will lose 1,200, 1,500 with one bad trade. So that's why better you keep small target, but you can copy it into more accounts. Even if you make $300, right, which we just did with YM. Yeah, it is still bullish, but because we already made 300, I stopped, right? Your DIA is bull put is making nice profits. So it moved huge. So, right, right. If you try to make too much of profits after certain point of time, you'll start making some mistakes and give back all the profits you made again back to the market. That's why having a, and also these companies will look for consistency. You cannot make 1,000 today and 200 tomorrow. Your maximum profit should be 20% of the total profit on any day, especially with Tradify. So that's why better you keep a daily target, achieve it, and stop trading for the day. And as you get more and more experience, you can keep increasing your target from 300 to 400 to 500, 500 to 600, like that. But initially, start with small targets, so easily you will achieve it. Right? If you start anything new, if you try to, right, if you are going to gym or you want to run few miles on day one, you cannot run. Right? You start with slowly for 5 minutes. Next day you may do for 10 minutes, next day 15 minutes. In the same way, in trading also, you slowly start, keep making some profits. Once you become confident, then you keep increasing it. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So we'll post the remaining alerts in the options chat. Uh, yeah, I'll help somehow. So tomorrow, day after, I'm traveling, right? That's why I always tell you, you become independent. You once you understand the logic, right? It is simple logic. There is nothing complex, right? You got a buy. You go and see the table, right? It is green. Background is green. This line is green. This line is green. Then you know it is a perfect setup. When we got for SQ, right? Same thing. Everything was green. You don't need to panic for a red candle. It went all the way up. For SOUN, you got a buy. Everything was green. It went all the way up, right? Same thing for ZW. You got a sell. Everything right in the table. Everything is red. So we took 4 5 contracts, right? It can go all the way down. So whenever you get a for bearish stickers, wait for sell signal. And if all this is red, that is a good one for short. For bullish stickers, wait for a buy signal. If all these are green, and if you get a buy, you'll make nice profits. Yeah, we have multiple analysts. They will be sharing alerts. If I get any time, I may post it. Yeah, again, I'll be back on Saturday. But yeah, there is a Excel which I share with the premium members where you have all the information, like for which ticker, which stocks you can buy when you are watching futures. Well, right, for example, YM, you can do DIA calls. If YM is going up, you can buy DIA calls. You can do DIA bull puts. Because strength is little choppy, we took bull puts. If it is 30, 30, 30 in all, then we'd have nicely taken calls. Calls also would have made huge profits with DIA. But we got a bull puts, so, which is low risk, right? Already it is making nice profits. Yeah, I'll stop recording here, and then if any members have any setup related issues, they can share the screen.